Hello, fellow alchemists. Welcome back. I'm going to teach you guys a little trick. Recently, I discovered a problem in one of our production systems where some users were trying to find certain links with a slug, and it turns out that our slugs were using strings, and strings were mixed case, or at least they can be mixed case. So basically, if you typed hello and or basically hello, they're actually different, which you may think they want to be the same, right? Shouldn't really matter if you type uppercase or lowercase, should always be the same. I found a way to fix this using just the database change, and I'm going to show you guys how we can accept a certain format, and now we can kind of protect ourselves against this problem, because right now, if I use IEX mix, I can actually create a user with the same username and password. So if I do hello live view accounts, list users, you'll see over here that test1 and test1. So now if I go to create a user, I'm going to of course catch this because I know for sure this will definitely work. And I say username is test1 and email is again test1. You can think about this if somebody's on a mobile device, usually the first letter is always capitalized, right? So this is a very common case. This is actually how I ended up catching some of these. And test.com. Of course we need a password. Test1, 2, 3, 4. And you'll see over here that the user actually gets created. And we don't want that, right? You should be able to find the user based on whichever mixed case it is. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and remove that user. So I'll go to hello accounts, delete user, passing the user. So I'm going to delete them. Let's make sure they're actually gone. So we just have the one user. Okay. Now how we do this is we need to create a migration. So change email username type, and within our migration file, let's go ahead and remove that. Now we should be able to make a migration. So we need to first run execute, and this is only going to work in Postgres, by the way. We need to create extension citext. And in case you want to roll it back, we just have to say drop extension. And finally, we need to do an alter to the table, users. And we want to modify a column. Now that column, of course, is going to be email. We want to change that to be a citext from string, default. Sorry, and null, of course, is false still. We also want to modify username to be citext from a string, and null again is false, and that should be enough. Now if we migrate our database and we try to run IEX again, and now we can try to create that user again. Create user, username, try uppercase again, email, of course uppercase again. So basically the same thing as before, and then you'll see it gets caught because our type is citext, which will basically accept mixed case and not actually worry about that. So this is how you can handle basically mixed case and let the database handle this for you. So this is Alan from Plangora. Please subscribe if you haven't, and I'll catch you guys next time. Thanks. Bye. Hi. Please feel free to ask us any questions about Elixir, Flutter, or anything else in programming. Here's our YouTube channel, Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. We'll answer your questions every Friday. Ya mantai ke dak man all. Yo wenti ji da wen wo.